Good day! I am Marisol G.S. Rosas, your teacher broadcaster in Grade 9 Science. I am here to tackle another new lesson. Did you know that our topic for today is very important? Last week, you learned about the functions of each part of respiratory and circulatory system. Today, you'll be learning on the effects of lifestyle on the functioning of respiratory system and circulatory system. This module provides you the information and simple activities that will help you understand the effects of lifestyle on the functioning of respiratory system and circulatory system. I am here to help you learn more about the lesson. Our topic is taken from the most essential learning competency of the Department of Education about infer how one's lifestyle can affect the functioning of respiratory system and circulatory system. As learners, you are expected to identify common respiratory and circulatory diseases, describe the causes of common respiratory and circulatory diseases, identify practices that promote healthy lifestyle. Are you ready? Let's get started. Take a look on the screen. You can see 6 common diseases. Now, classify these diseases if they belong to respiratory diseases or circulatory diseases. This is to check if you still remember important terms for today's topic. Let us now refer to the PowerPoint presentation that will help you understand the activity. Let's roll! These are the diseases associated with the respiratory system. These affect our airways and lungs caused by infection, smoking cigarettes, or other forces of air pollution. These include asthma. This is a condition when a person experiences difficulty in breathing as a result of the narrowing and swelling of the bronchial airways. Common cold. This is a disease affecting the upper respiratory tract. It is transmitted by virus-infected airborne droplets. In addition is pneumonia. This is an infection of the lungs caused by viruses and bacteria, wherein the alveoli in the lungs are inflamed and becomes filled with liquid and pus, making it difficult for the lungs to transfer oxygen to the blood. Tuberculosis, simply known as TB. This is a bacterial infection of the lungs caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is an airborne disease that can be spread from person to person through respiratory droplets via sneezing or coughing. Lastly is the coronavirus disease 2019, also known as COVID-19. This is a serious global infectious disease caused by a new strain of coronavirus that infect both people and animals. The virus passes through the nose, sinuses and throat and reaches the lungs. This can be spread mainly through person-to-person contact, by respiratory droplets, and through contact with contaminated objects. Like all other systems in our body, respiratory and circulatory is vulnerable to conditions and diseases. Here are some of the common conditions affecting the circulatory system. First is stroke. This occurs when a blood vessel is blocked or leaked, usually from a blood clot. Next is hypertension, simply known as high blood pressure. The causes of this disease includes obesity, diabetes, lack of fruits and vegetables in the diet, and high salt intake too. This is relatively known as the silent killer due to the fact that people with hypertension usually has no symptoms. Another is heart attack. This occurs when the blood flow to the part of the heart is blocked by blood clot. Then the muscle supplied by the artery begins to die. Lastly is the atherosclerosis. This is a condition that develops when a substance called plaque builds up in the walls of the arteries, making it harder for blood to flow through. If a blood clot forms, it can block the blood flow that can cause heart attack or stroke. prevention in both respiratory and circulatory diseases is always better than their treatment. Besides, with the right treatment of these diseases, it can save the patient's lives. Now that you're learning on the diseases of both respiratory and circulatory systems, what do you think are the ways on how to prevent those diseases? Very good! Good nutrition, good sleep and rest enhance your immune system that helps your body to resist infections. What else? Absolutely! Do not smoke. Cigarettes contain harmful substances that can be fatal to your body. What else do you have in mind? Correct! Exercise regularly. It improves the health of your lungs and heart. Do you want to add something? Good job! Observe strict personal hygiene. Always keep your body clean because it will help reduce the risk of catching any diseases. Is there another idea? Yes, exactly. Avoid crowds. Avoid direct contact with people suffering from respiratory diseases. That is why it is important to stay at home, especially nowadays that we are still suffering from COVID-19. Now you're learning. Here are some enrichment activities for you to work on to strengthen the basic concepts you have learned from our mini lessons. Take a look on the PowerPoint presentation on your screen. This time, let us see if you got it right. Catch a glimpse on the listed answers. See, you're doing great. Moving forward. Do you know that when you eat or do an activity each day affects your health and how you feel now and in the future? To maintain a healthy and functional body, it is important to take care of them properly. Now, focus on the information presented on your screen. Can you tell me what are these information about? Great! Those pictures depict a healthy and unhealthy lifestyle. Anyone can tell me what is lifestyle? Definitely! Lifestyle is defined as someone's way of living that a person or group of people usually do. It has also a direct effect on the organs of the respiratory and circulatory systems. Can you give me some ways on how to have a healthy lifestyle? Good! Exercise regularly is important to maintain healthy body system that makes your lungs and heart stronger. What else? Correct! Eat a healthy diet. Proper diet enables a person to maintain a healthy weight, which is important in keeping the respiratory and circulatory organs healthy. Who have another idea? Exactly! Do not smoke and drink alcohol. If you are thinking of starting smoking and alcohol drinking, do not. Stay away from people who do this habit. What else do you have in mind? Great! Take time to relax and avoid stress because it affects the conditions of our respiratory and circulatory system. Great job, everyone! You're learning! we are almost done with this topic. Now, let's watch this. Study each picture presented that shows lifestyles that are either good or bad for your respiratory and circulatory system. How about the first pic? Yes, it shows a healthy lifestyle. How about the second picture? Yes, it also shows a good lifestyle. How about the third picture? Yes, it shows an unhealthy lifestyle. Take a look on the fourth picture. What does it tell us? Exactly, it shows a healthy lifestyle. Alright, now let me ask you these questions. Why should you take care of your respiratory and circulatory system? Great! We should take care of the respiratory and circulatory systems because of their important functions in our body. They work together to supply the body with oxygen and get rid of waste carbon dioxide. While the former deals with air and the latter with blood, they work together seamlessly by coordinating the function of the many parts of each system. How does smoking affect one's health? Good! Smoking can cause lung disease by damaging your airways and the small air sacs found in your lungs. How does exercise prevent heart disease? Nice! Regular exercise will make your heart and blood in your circulatory system more efficient, lower cholesterol level, and also keep your blood pressure at a healthy level. Oh, I guess you are all learning great today. I know I keep pushing you here. Let's continue. Please watch this. To heighten your understanding on our lesson today, please answer these questions. Alright, I guess you're done. Take a look at the screen if you got the correct answers. For true or false, these are the answers. Did you get a high score? Very good! Congratulations! I think you learned well today. Always remember to treat your body like a temple. The mind and body work together. Your body needs to be a good support system for the mind and spirit. If you take good care of it, your body can take you wherever you want to go, bringing with you the strength, power, and energy needed to get there. And to ensure good health, always remember these three. Eat lightly, breathe deeply, and live moderately. So that ends our lesson for today. Watch out for the next topic of Science Grade 9 lessons. Read your modules carefully and answer the questions appropriately. Always remember to contact your teachers for you to keep updated. Once again, this has been your teacher broadcaster, Marisol G. Rosas, saying, engage, explore, and excel in learning science. Till next time, learners, have a nice day!